is well worth it. I got this, 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 and this. Hello, everyone. Thank you, Father, for allowing me to see another wonderful and amazing day. Welcome back, my beloved kings and queens, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, y'all. So, I'm coming to y'all, of course. You already know. I was in Walmart the other day. I did a haul on this. Not a haul, but I did I was showing y'all those green earrings that I did a how to make video on. I did it from this right here. Walmart has been selling this kit for many years. Like when I say many years, I mean many years. I don't quite remember these really large acrylic beads that's in here. This is amazing. I'm looking at this. I purchased this set before, but I swear I don't remember all this. That's because everything I made from it, I pretty much sold. But yes, y'all. Yes. If you are looking and you like acrylic beads, and I'm going to say this because I know this is not meant for everyone, but look at this. The size of these bags are phenomenal. You get so many beads, so many different types of beads, okay? This is phenomenal. You can make earrings, necklaces, bracelets, anklets, whatever you choose. What I do like about this, though, is that you get a variety of different colors. But look at these. Look at that. This is amazing. I love it. The quality of this is amazing. Now, I did say that this was $20. And I'm going to say this. This is well worth your money. This is well worth $20. Because when you think about this and all of this, and what do I do at the top? This is the top right here. And these are called Mega Fashion Bead Assortment. 1,000 grams, 35.2 ounces. Okay. You get so many colors. You can make so many earrings, so many necklaces. The sky is the limit. And it's acrylic. So what? It's acrylic. But, y'all, the stuff that you can make with this, the jewelry you can make with this, you will get your $20 back and some, okay? And some. And some. Bracelets, earrings, you name it, okay? It is this kit is well worth it. Some people may say, oh, $20. No, this is well worth it. Look at this. Look at that. Look at it. The earrings, the necklaces, the bracelets that you can make from these is like, and I'm trying to figure out when I'm going to have time to make stuff from this kit. Because I'm, like right now, y'all, I have so many ideas and DIYs that I'm coming to y'all with. I don't even know, but I'm gonna make some time, and I'm gonna make something from this. But this is just, look at this. This is phenomenal. Walmart, y'all. Go, if you don't have a Walmart near you, try to order it online, because you may be able to find it online. You may be able to find this online. So see if you can find it online. Like I said, like I said, it's $20. And what I'm doing, y'all, is I am opening up each pack so that y'all can actually see, because when it's in that plastic, you don't get what you need to get. But this is amazing, and it is well worth the money. Look at that. Yes. I say yes. I approve this kit. This is awesome. You can combine the colors here. You can make long necklaces, short necklaces, chunky necklaces. You can make key rings. You can make all types of things from this batch of beads. Walmart has it, y'all. It's $20. And you get 6 sections. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, and 6. You get 6 sections. I am so, like I said, I don't even know when I'm going to have time to get in this. But woo-hoo. And when I say it's heavy, it's heavy. It's a lot going on in there, y'all. So if you have not gotten to Walmart to get you one of these, get to Walmart and get you one of these. I promise you it will be well worth your money. Even though it's $20, it will be well worth your money. If you are a crafter and you like beads and so forth and so on, this will be well worth your money. So with that being said, y'all, please do me a favor. Thumbs up this video so that this video can go into rotation for other people to view. I would greatly, greatly appreciate it. Have a wonderful and amazing day. And thank y'all so much for watching. Until my next upload, peace and blessings, everyone. See ya.